Hi, this is Nancy Niccolo, the president of Huff Insurance. Thank you for joining us today. Today we're talking about, will your homeowner's premium increase if you get a trampoline? Well, a trampoline is considered an attractive nuisance. So similar to that of a playground or boat ramp or anything else kind of like that on your property, it does increase the likelihood that your house is going to become the fun house where all the kids in the neighborhood are going to want to hang out. So there are some things to take in consideration when installing a trampoline. First of all, before you make this purchase, Christmas is a big time to be buying trampolines, make sure that you consult your insurance professional to see how your insurance carrier will consider the trampoline. Some carriers have no restrictions on trampolines whatsoever. Other carriers do require that they have the netting around them. They have found statistically that there is less injuries on a trampoline when there is a net around it because the children are less likely to just fall off the side of the trampoline. Also, some other carriers will surcharge the policy, normally about $25 to $50 depending on the carrier, for having the trampoline, and that being an increase in liability exposure to the carrier. Other companies will not insure you if you have a trampoline, whether it's netted or not netted, whether your yard is fenced or it's not fenced. So these are all things to keep in mind because each company is going to look at that trampoline differently. So it's best to consult with your insurance professional. Also remember that having a trampoline is going to increase the likelihood of you having a liability claim. Sometimes there's too many kids in the trampoline and somebody falls on another child's arm or leg, and now you have a broken bone to contend with. Other times there's been head injuries where two children have hit heads on each other and now both have concussions. So these aren't things to take lightly when you're considering having this exposure. So you always want to make sure that the children are monitored while they are on the trampoline. You also want to make sure that you're limiting the number of children on the trampoline to help reduce your liability exposure. Also, this is a good time if you are obtaining a trampoline this holiday season to also consider increasing your liability limits or purchasing a personal umbrella policy to give you that additional layer of protection. Huff Insurance is a full-service independent insurance agency, and we would love to help you with your trampoline and your homeowner's exposure. Please give us a call today at 410-647-1111. Thanks.